The tags and segments page is a very important page for configuring how users can find you. In the first field, we can see the fairs you've registered for in the upcoming expo. This field cannot be changed here, only on the fair registration pages. So next, we have the segments and tags. In the segment sections, you find a list of pre-configured segments for each fair. The segments here may change depending on the fairs you selected. So let's go ahead and add a couple of segments. After the segments, we have the tags field. In the tags field, you can create custom specific categories to your product. For example, here I will type winter fruits and press enter to add it to the list. And finally, you can save the selections by clicking in the save button. You will receive this success message here, and you can change this any moment before the expo starts.